Hi guys, welcome to tutorial 4 for our Python series. If you guys haven't checked out our other videos, go check them out. So you guys might be needing those videos if you haven't already seen them. So in this tutorial, we are going to be talking about functions. Let's first start off with what functions are. Programmers love shortcuts that make writing code easier. One of the most common shortcuts is to give a name to a block of code that does an especially useful job. Then, instead of having to type out the whole block each time you need it, you simply type its name. These named blocks of code are called functions. So, yeah, they're code functions where pretend you wanted to use this block of code again and again in your program, but then you don't want to do that whole block of code again and again. You could just name that block of code, and then you could use it over and over again, and use it with its name. Using a function, how to use a function. Using a function is also known as calling it. To call a function, you just type the function's name followed by a set of brackets that contain any parameters you want the function to work with. Parameters are a bit like variables that belong to the function, and they allow you to pass data between different parts of your program. When a function doesn't need any parameters, the brackets are left empty. And then after the name, you write the piece of code you want it to do, okay? And then you could call that function whenever you want and use it. So let's write our function. Let's play around with functions first. Open up idle, guys, and then type in bang the upper. So what this code will do is it'll give us bang, B-A-N-G, in uppercase. This is a built-in function. Python has a number of built-in functions that you can use in your code. These are helpful tools that let you do lots of tasks, from inputting information and showing messages on the screen. So you could the built-in functions are functions that are built in and you could already use. You don't need to make it, it's already there. Bang the upper, for example, this is one, the upper. See, it's all in uppercase. So you guys can play around with that. And now let's write our own function now. So let's open up a new file and name it playing with functions. Okay, and let's save it. So let's write a comment. As a good programmer, you always do that. Playing with functions. Playing around with functions. Okay, guys. Now what we're going to do is here. So this is how you create your function. Follow me. Def. You're defining the function def. What should we name our functions? Minutes per week. And then you put a colon. So this is naming your function. Now we have to write the block of code inside our function. Let's say, so minutes equal 60, hours equal 24, days equal 7. So there's 7 days in a week, 24 hours in a day, and 60 minutes in an hour. So week equals minutes times hours. So minutes times hours, that will get us the how much there are in a day, times days will get us in a week. Okay, guys, print week. So that will print for us how much there are in a week. Now we've written our function, we have to call our function. How we call our function is minutes per week. Open and close brackets. So this is how we call our function. Let's run. Oh, guys, There's always mistakes. Yeah, you guys, you have to open and close parameters. Since we don't have a parameter right now, we just do empty brackets. Guys, 1080, 10,080. Let's look if that's correct. How many minutes in a week? 10,080. See, guys, you guys could actually play around with this. So you could write your own functions and call them in your program. So when you're writing big programs, you have to have functions, since you shouldn't. It's good. It's good programming if you write functions, because then you could use that function over and over again instead of writing the exact same block of code. So guys, this is functions. Making a function, the bet, guys. So we've done that, and now you guys should play around with this. Trust me, it's fun. And that's it for today's video. See you next time, and go check out our other videos if you haven't already. Bye.